Today is Dia de Sant Jordi in Barcelona, and it's a very special day. It is the equivalent of Saint Valentine's Day for the people here in Catalonia, and I am going to check out one of the most iconic buildings of Barcelona, which is the Casa Batlló, and I've heard that it's decorated very beautifully on this day. The symbols of this day is roses and books. People gift books and roses to each other. It is similar to Saint Valentine's Day, so lovers, it's a day for lovers, but of course people give gifts to anyone that they love, not just a boyfriend or a girlfriend. If you can see behind me a whole line of people selling books, and I'm gonna take a walk maybe from in between that. There's a lot of sound because we are at one of the most busy roads of Barcelona. So this is how it looks. Let's take a look. There's people checking out books. And the road is pretty crowded, and we are just a few hundred meters from that iconic building, which was designed by the famous architect Antonio Gaudí. And anything that happens in Catalonia is also a time for celebrating Catalan identity. So you will see Catalan flag everywhere. Even the roses that people are gifting each other has the Catalan flag. Look at this. This is so beautiful. So there, people are pinning those little roses. All right. And now, so that I can record my reaction as I see the beauty of Casa Batlló decorated with roses. Wow, this also looks beautiful. Look at that. Look at the roses behind me. You'll see people carrying roses in their hands, people carrying roses pinned to their shirts, and I'm still walking, but I can also already catch a glimpse of the rose-decked Casa Batlló, and it does look beautiful. And let me turn it around. You see that building behind? That's Casa Batlló. Once again, books, the Catalan flag everywhere, and the building looks incredible. Okay, so I'm here. Let me just take one shot entirely. places now and check out something else around.